This is a self massage for your glutes. So you're gonna take a ball, put it under one hip. Again, you're not trying to get to where the bony part is, but instead maybe where your back pocket would be, a little bit cushioned. And then from there, keeping the ball in place, you just breathe, trying to sink into the ball. If the ball is too much, you can use a softer ball or something that's a little bit more squishy. And then from there, see if you can drop your right knee out to the side. So bringing that leg out and then draw that leg back in. Do this a few times, bringing the leg out and back in. One more. Very good. And then you can place the ball elsewhere. You can go a little bit lower. And none of this should feel like numbness, tingling down the leg. It should all feel like a localized kind of pressure through your glutes.